Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on Spocket. Now, I know there are a lot of different ways to make money online, but Spocket is a really interesting platform that I think has a lot of potential. It's basically a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory yourself. So, if you're looking for a way to start an online business without a lot of upfront costs, Spocket could be a great option. Before we get into the specifics of how to make money on Spocket, let's take a quick look at what it is and how it works. What is Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. You can browse through their products and add them to your online store. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier and have the product shipped directly to your customer. How does Spocket work? Sign up for a Spocket account. Browse through their products and add the ones you want to sell to your online store. Set your product prices. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically place the order with the supplier and have the product shipped directly to your customer. You keep the difference between the price you charged your customer and the price you paid to the supplier. So, how can you make money on Spocket? There are a few different ways to make money on Spocket. Sell products with high profit margins. One of the best ways to make money on Spocket is to sell products with high profit margins. You can do this by finding products that are in high demand but not readily available elsewhere. Offer exclusive products. Another way to make money on Spocket is to offer exclusive products that you can't find anywhere else. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract more customers. Build a strong brand. If you can build a strong brand, you can charge higher prices for your products and attract more customers. You can do this by creating high-quality content, running social media campaigns, and offering excellent customer service. Use Spocket's marketing tools. Spocket offers a number of marketing tools that you can use to promote your products and attract more customers. These tools include email marketing, social media integration, and Google Shopping integration. Refer other sellers to Spocket. You can earn a commission for every seller that you refer to Spocket. Here are a few additional tips for making money on Spocket. Do your research. Before you start selling products on Spocket, it's important to do your research and make sure that there is a demand for the products you want to sell. Choose the right products. Not all products are created equal. Make sure to choose products that are high quality and have a good profit margin. Set your prices correctly. Don't set your prices too high or too low. You want to make sure that you're making a profit, but you also want to be competitive. Promote your products. Once you have your products listed, you need to promote them to potential customers. Use social media, email marketing, and other marketing channels to reach your target audience. Provide excellent customer service. Good customer service is essential for any business. Make sure that you're always available to answer your customers' questions and resolve any issues that they may have. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful business on Spocket. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep working hard and eventually you'll start to see success. Spocket is a great platform for making money online. By following the tips in this article, you can increase your chances of success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.